The way we produce food can impact on our natural environment and wildlife through habitat loss. Farmland waders are birds who nest and raise their young in fields, increasingly stocked with cattle and sheep. The RSPB has been working with 40 livestock farms in South Lanarkshire to conserve bird populations by supporting eco-friendly farming methods.
It's a wildlife conservation project working closely with the farming community, and it's a focus on 5 bird species in particular that we call farmland waders. These birds are really quite heavily reliant on farming practices and farmland in general, especially in a place like Scotland. You know, we've got them on nature reserves, yes, but a lot of the population's on farmland, so we're trying to find solutions, working with the farming community to conserve them in farmland-like areas here.
We do rush control and stocking densities for different fields, just for that main reason, to give the birds a chance. And we've got a couple of wader scrapes put in, one with I've got a kind of valve that we can switch over to let the water come up at the right time and we get back down again. So, and it's a wee effort to make things better for the wildlife.
One of the sort of wider successes I feel of the project has been forming these quite strong links with individual farmers and some of the estates in the area, and getting to know one another and realising we've got quite a shared kind of purpose here. You know, they're species that everyone loves to see and hear in the countryside, whether it's the local volunteers or the farmers or ourselves. So we're all kind of pulling in the same direction.
I think it's a good thing to work together, and then the more farms that are round about in the same scheme, the better, because they're all working in the same idea. There's so much people in the world that don't care about things, and I think it's a very important part of the environment and the culture of Scotland and further afield, that people care what's going on in the country. We don't just go out there and take. It's got to be able to give back to nature itself, and that's what I'm passionate about that.
Working together has helped reduce the impact of farming on the environment and is a move towards sustainable food production.